most accurate forecast. Storm Tracker 59.
Temperatures may be dropping, but Mother Nature is still trying to remind us that it's spring. Welcome back to 59 News. I'm meteorologist Mike Slifer. Let's take a look at those pollen counts over the next few days, running in the very high to almost extreme range. So this is Mother Nature still saying, hey, it's April. Don't forget that, even though our temperatures look more like February outside this morning. Seriously, you're going to need those winter jackets. I regret not bringing a heavier coat when I walked out my door. We're running anywhere from about 25 to 30 degrees colder right now than yesterday at this time. It's especially true in Marlinton and Pineville right now. 29-degree difference in Oak Hill, 28 in Bluefield. As we get later into the day, we will slowly start to warm things up underneath dry skies. The Storm Tracker 59 HD Dual Live Doppler radar not showing any activity outside will keep things dry for the rest of the day. So we do get to enjoy some sunshine today. We make it into the 40s by lunchtime, and after that, mostly sunny skies across the entire area with light wind. Feel pretty nice this afternoon. We make it to about 51. Now enjoy the sunshine while it's here, because things are going to get cloudy again as we get later into the week, and we also have a chance for some snow this weekend. A bit of a complicated forecast. The big question is, where is this freezing line going to be? That's going to be the big difference between getting just a little bit of snow, maybe some flakes out there that don't even accumulate, to getting some accumulation, especially on roadways. A shift south would mean that we end up colder, and that would allow that snow to fall and stick. So we're going to be watching this very closely. I'll time it all out for you here on Predictor. We've got our warm front that lifts over us overnight tonight. Some snow forms well off to our north, stretching from Fort Wayne through Lima all the way down into Pittsburgh, and that moves off quickly. Wind out of the south helps to warm us up a little bit. Our cold front starts to approach tomorrow. Not a lot of moisture for this front to work with. I don't think we'll see any showers, although we will see some clouds increase across the region. Winds pick up out of the southwest. Cold front rolls through. We see some rain, and that transitions over to snow. So we're expecting rain showers here as we get into Friday evening. And then once we get past midnight on Friday, we have to watch where that rain snow line sets up. Predictor still showing a lot of snow across the area by about 5 a.m. Saturday morning, and then this moves out pretty quickly. So once we get into Saturday afternoon, we at least melt the snow that falls. Again, we aren't exactly sure on those totals just yet. We're hoping to have a more concrete idea as we get a little bit later into the day here, and aiming for some impacts tonight. We'll talk a bit more about that again as we get just later into the day. 43 tomorrow. Then we see another system come through on Monday. More showers in the forecast, and another chance for snow on Tuesday. I don't think that Tuesday's snow is going to accumulate, although we still could see some flurries across the area. 44 on Wednesday, starting to warm things up at the end of next week. 53 next Thursday, a week from today. After that, forecasting temperatures in the 60s with some sunshine. Katie, that's when the pattern is actually going to shift over to favor those warmer conditions. So we've only got about a week left of these below average temperatures and snow chances before we can finally enjoy some temperatures in the 60s with some sunshine.
Looking forward to that, but it looks like we're in the clear for now, at least until maybe tomorrow night. But really Friday, Saturday morning is something you're going to be keeping a close eye on. Yeah, we're hoping to have a lot more information on that, especially impacts as we get through the day today, and we'll focus a lot on that tomorrow morning as well. All right, Mike, thank you.